Titanium alloys have high strength, low density and high melting point, which have high requirements for traditional welding methods, requiring strict control of gas and temperature. Laser welding, which can deliver laser energy to the titanium alloy surface in a concentrated manner in a short period of time, achieves a single weld through. However, the following points need to be noted when performing laser welding of titanium alloys. To prevent porosity in the weld seam, the material or workpiece surface needs to be cleaned to remove contaminants such as oxide film and rust stains before welding. Also, choose the right laser power density and welding speed to avoid overheating, overmelting, or burn through. Use a high-purity shielding gas, such as argon or helium, to effectively protect the weld seam and heat-affected zone. To prevent cracks in the weld, the cooling rate of the weld needs to be controlled to avoid too rapid a temperature change leading to stress concentration. To prevent galling in the weld seam, the processing power and speed of the laser welding machine need to be controlled to match, avoiding too fast or too slow welding speeds that lead to unstable melt pools. Titanium alloy laser seal welding technology can weld titanium alloy materials or titanium alloy shells of different shapes, sizes, and thicknesses flexibly and adaptably. It can complete seamless, non-porous, and crack-free sealing welding, which ensures the gas and liquid tightness of the welded parts and has very wide application in many industries such as aerospace, medical equipment, and military research. For more information about titanium alloy laser welding technology or titanium alloy laser welding equipment, please contact Jimmy Laser.